Greetings, beautiful people, travelers, wonders alike. I'm here in Veerdd, Las Vegas. This is the Fontainebleau Hotel. It's going to be a nice little walk-through, talk-through of room 1545. This is the Gold King room with the pool view. So without further ado, let's get started. Got a lot to show y'all. I'm excited just to do this one. 1545. Right on. All right, here's the view as we walk in. So this is a conjoined room, but the door is locked, as well as I hope the other side is. Really don't matter because they can't get in. All right, first let's get to your functionality buttons here on the side of the door. So you have your in-room privacy and service buttons, as well as you have your all on and all off for your lights, and your medium and low lights as well. Speaking of which, and here's the bathroom. So let's go all on for the bathroom lights. One time for the birth. Anyway, so yeah, very large mirror here. The thing for this hotel is bow ties, and it's kind of hard for me to not discuss certain things without just talking about bow ties. But here's your floor mat here for your vanity and your sink, obviously with a bow tie. Underneath you got plenty of extra towels, as well as a hair dryer. The countertop, got a nice vanity with a couple outlets right here as well that you can plug in your stuff. Got a couple glasses, soap, some very nice towels to get your beautification on, as well as some complimentary items here. You got shower cap in the box. You have an additional shower cap as well. Nice marble top, that's real marble. Another feature I like on this control unit here is you have your vanity light dimmer. So it's also Taptronic, so you can feel it as it goes up and down, as well as you'll see it for yourself. I don't know if you see that. Boom. All right, then you got your facilities over here. Generally these places are basic and simple, and it is here too, but light dimmer, as well as you have the control for the light, as well as the fan as well. And you get you some little bougie TP right there, all decorated up for you. I'm with it. All right, so then you got a huge shower over here. Very large shower. I don't know, you can probably get by 7, 8 people in there. Got a nice little sitting stool as well. Bow tie. Got your complimentary products in the corner. Waterfall and adjustable shower head. One thing I do also like about this, not only is their own brand or partner brand, but they're tamper sealed as well. So you ain't gotta worry about somebody refilling, reusing, or whatever the case may be. Yeah, so that's for the bathroom. Oh, let's not forget, got a nice little robe on the door right there. Got a nice little cotton material as well. You can also purchase these robes at Morrison Company, also on the premises as well. So nice engraving. You know, let's see what else we got. All right, back into the foyer. You're gonna have this very large mirror here. Those is like some hanging accessories there as well. And the flooring, by the way, nice clean white tile or tan tile or whatever. So Got this large mirror here, which is great. And then to the right of it, got a closet with a sensor light. Got a steamer up here. Gotta find another word for hangers. Hard hanger, soft hanger, and obviously you got that bow tie element as well. You have an additional safe back here on the wall. You got your laundry items and service right there. Some complimentary slippers. Got your gold storage stand or luggage stand and an additional robe. Give you a better view of all that right there. All right. Here's your, I guess we'll call this your wide view of the room right here. All right. We'll get into the control unit of this a little bit later. It's got a nice little seating area with a very unique table here. It kind of reminds me of a guitar pick. Very spacious with some additional lighting. Got a holder here if you want to put like your jewelry and stuff like that. On the back side here you have a couple power outlets, USB and a Type-C as well. It's a nice little sturdy table here as well. All right. A couple additional power outlets on the back, so you got plenty of power throughout this room. And on both bedsides here, you have your all-on bedside drape shears, your low lights and your all-off lights. So without getting out of bed, you can control all of this. Got power, USB Type-C, plenty of space here on your countertop or your side table, and some drawer space. The best part, soft close. Nice decor throughout the room and just throughout the premises, period. Even all the way to the pillow. All right, that's probably that pillow that you're not supposed to even be sleeping on right there. Just don't get your makeup all on it. All right, you got your mini bar. You can scan this little QR code right here for all the prices, but if you lift any of this up more than 60 seconds, you just bought it. So I'm gonna stop telling people don't do it. It's just up to you. Same thing applies for the refrigerated items. And then additional next to the cabinet next to it, I'll say like a little small fridge, so you can like put some of your personal items in there. It doesn't come out very far, but at least there's something there for you. And just above it, got a couple more glasses, some stirrers, some little bow tie napkins, you know, bottle opener, wine opener, in case you get ready to DIY your own. Save yourself a couple of ducats or so, or if you were to have a little movie night, want to do something in your room, go for what you know. All right, what else we got? QR code for other like dining, in-room dining as well. Bow tie. Got your ice holder with a couple glasses. Bow tie. A couple more glasses. Very nice flat screen. Something else I like is this. It's like a washed mirror or whatever type of thing. It ain't dirty. It's made like that. I think that's a nice touch for the room. Soft tone lighting, bow tie base, and all the drawer space that you need. I ain't gonna pull all of them out, but it's like 6 of them. They're pretty deep, so if you want to unpack, get super comfortable, you can do that. And you're probably gonna want to. Once you start seeing what these prices look like, you're gonna want to figure out why are you even staying at other places. But anyway, back to the room. Bed view. Nice little sitting area at the foot of the bed. And then additional sitting space over here as well. Alright. Phone, pen, pad. Same thing as far as the lighting on the side. Got an easy to use functional AC and heating unit here. Then some additional power down on the floor as well. more decor, more power to you. Get another little view from this angle here. Very up to date, very modern, very comfortable, very spacious. All right, so let's go with the TV functionalities next. Forgot my tripod, so bear with me. All right, so when you walk into the room, at least when I walked into this room, I got the local channel, the Fontainebleau channel here. Some nice little ambient music, you know, telling you everything about the premises and what it offers as far as services as well. If you go to the menu button here, you're gonna get your personalized screen. So it's gonna have your name, the date, the weather outside, as well as some options below. So you're gonna have your resort directory, and it's pretty extensive, so you can kind of dive into it and get comfortable and familiar with this, whatever it's providing. So you got your Fontainebleau rewards, which I do recommend if you stay here, get the rewards before you book, so that way you can go ahead and get those membership points, as well as some reduced rates and other offers that they're gonna have. I'm not gonna go through all, but yeah. Some more information about the resorts. The mobile app is gonna tell you about the directory as well. There's a plethora of dining options, whether it's dining, in-room dining, or just bar and club, but you'll see that here as well. So it's going to give you a full listing of your dining collection, nice video and all that, casual dining. Over here it actually lists all the places as well. So signature dining, all these options right there. And then for your bars and lounges, all these options here. I mean, also listed here as well, but you know, they're giving you the best of both worlds, kind of simplifying it for you. Wellness, got your different spa, lounges, fitness centers. It's going to tell you all those things are located at the bottom of the screen as well, what floor it is, and more information if you just use the QR code. All right, different experiences. I just learned about this Hall of Excellence. I'll talk about that at a different date, different time. Nightlife, you got Live, and then Live Beach as well. So it's adult only, so leave your kids, or your children rather. Got your in-room dining menu. Something I think is pretty dope is it's literally going to tell you breakfast is from 6 a.m. to midnight. Then all day, 6 a.m. to midnight. Late night, midnight to 6 a.m. So essentially that's a 24-hour service. So if you're one of those type of people that wake up in the middle of the night, do your business, look out the window, and get the munchies, you good to go. But you also got things as far as bottled spirits, wine by the glass and the bottle. You can order that from in-room dining or from the QR code. All right, what else we got? Another little item at the bottom that will tell you about the rewards program. You can pause and read all that yourself, but I do recommend a little gem for you. If you decide to get the rewards program, what you just saw on that previous screen, you're going to get those perks with up to 72 hours of your enrollment, not your booking, but the enrollment itself. All right, got your account review. Yeah, that's just a little holding. I ain't spent that. So got your live TV as well as your Google Cast, so you can share from your devices to the television. Quick, easy setup. It's pretty simple. You got your in-theater movies. In-theater, see it first here. In case you want to know, let's just say Running Man. It's going to run you about $25. Now, I know that might sound like a lot, but if you got about 2 or 3 people in here watching the movie for you, like that ain't nothing. That's cheaper than a movie ticket, so you're good to go. Some other things with their partnership with Sapphire Reserve. Something for everybody. All right. Then you got your adult zone. I mean, that sounds like what it is. Near settings if you want to change the language from English to habla español. Yeah, so that's your TV functionalities in the gist for the most part. It's solid. The Google Cast in itself gives you still the ability to go Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, whatever to your TV without having to use the app on the television, because it ain't no app no way. Alright, so next we're gonna get into these shears and these blinds, and we're gonna end it with the view. So you also have your control, kind of like how the bathroom was. You got your all on, your drapes and your shears. So if we go all on, oh, it's all on right now. If we go all off, easy day. And we're just gonna leave it all off anyway. Matter of fact, we're gonna have a little blackout moment, all right? So that we can just get a full little perspective of the nighttime view once we open the drapes and the shears. I'm gonna probably stop talking after that, and then you can just enjoy a little view, and then that'll be a little outro, straight like that. Let's go all off in here. Boom, all off in the restroom. I just grab the TV remote, and then we can just turn that off last. All right. So we ain't gotta make this weird. All right, I hope y'all got something out of this video. I definitely recommend the Fontainebleau in this room specifically. The Gold King with the pool view. Until next time, one love, peace.